If you are designing a bedroom at home, nightstands are likely one of the first bedroom essentials on your list. Nightstands are the coffee table of the bedroom. They are functional pieces that can also add style to a master bedroom, guest bedroom, or kids' room. A nightstand is a small table or cabinet designed to stand beside a bed or elsewhere in a bedroom. Modern nightstands are usually small bedside tables, often with one or sometimes more drawers and/or shelves, and less commonly with a small door. They are often used to support items that might be useful during the night, such as a table lamp, alarm clock, reading matter, cell phone, eyeglasses, tissues, sex toys, a drink, or medication. Floating nightstands are ideal companions for your modern bedroom. They come with both drawers and open compartments and can hold all your typical bedside essentials like books, magazines, and glasses. For your electronic devices, both the top surface and the compartment have openings to manage cords. The hanging design gives you the flexibility to place it at any height and saves valuable floor space. Innovative mounting rails makes them easy to put up. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you floating nightstand design ideas for your inspiration. You can use these designs to try to make your own nightstands at home. Therefore, we advise you to watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when uploading videos. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. One of the things that concerns people about floating nightstands is how to mount it to the wall. There is nothing more frustrating than a wall-mounted piece of furniture that sags. If you aren't incredibly handy, you should probably leave this to a professional, but installing nightstands is actually really simple. There is a proprietary cleat that installs to the wall, and then you just mount the floating nightstands on that cleat and fasten the actual nightstand to your wall for one last measurement to make sure it is securely fastened. But why do people seek out floating nightstands? Here are 5 reasons why people like wall-mounted nightstands. Number 1. Bed with drawers that gets in the way. If you have a bed with a storage or drawers, it is nice to be able to use them all. We hear all the time that people want floating nightstands because it allows them to open up and use all of the drawers available in their bed frame. Number 2. Clean and minimalist look. Nightstands really are simple and clean, and their modern aesthetic really appeals to homeowners looking for an uncluttered look. There is something about an uncluttered home or environment that makes people happy. If you can relate, then a well-built floating nightstand is the right bedside table for you. Number 3. Neat freak friendly. People like the fact that they are able to easily clean under and around their floating nightstands. Those dust bunnies can be gross, and if you don't require a lot of storage by your bed, then wall-mounted nightstands give you the ability to keep your room neat and tidy. Number 4. Nothing like a good purge. Excessive storage in a nightstand often leads to holding onto things that you could probably do without. Purging isn't for everyone. but you will feel liberated and free when you get rid of things that you just don't use anymore. Having a limited amount of space beside your bed forces you to store just the essentials for bedtime and your morning routine. Number 5. Cable management. This is not to say that other nightstands with legs or bases don't have cable management, but hiding your wires and managing them is so much easier with a floating nightstand. Some designs offer cord grips to tie your wires down, and there is a built-in channel to feed your wires through to the surface of the nightstand. It is a great way to keep your phone cords from falling into the ground or manage other cords. Contemporary style floating nightstands will help create a sleek atmosphere in your bedroom. The subtle contours will suitably define the space by your bed. You'll be more than thrilled to have a unique, trendy item that's sure to keep you happy. Nightstands feature open spaces to make your personal items easy to access. Once you're in bed, you can just stay there and be comfortable. All you have to do is stretch out your arm if you want your book or your phone. The shelf is really handy for small items, and the open space above is a great place for your favorite decorative items or the novel you're reading. With its many storage spaces, a floating nightstand is a great way to always keep your bedroom neat and organized. One of the great benefits of this nightstand is its versatility. It can go in other rooms besides the bedroom. You can set it up in the living room, dining room, near a sofa, or next to the desk. You can even put 2 or 3 of them together, side by side, to add storage in your entryway or just decorate a room somewhere. Floating nightstands are easy to install as they can be mounted on any type of wall. In most cases, an anchoring kit is provided, so the nightstand is quicker and easier to install. Since the nightstand has no legs, you can install it at whatever height you like. You'll also find it easier to vacuum underneath or to clean without moving it. Isn't that fantastic? Lots of questions are bound to come up when coming up with nightstand styling ideas for your bedroom. Do you need one with a storage space? Will you need enough surface for a lamp or other decor? Do you like bedside table with drawers versus shelves? There are so many different types of nightstands with styles and shapes to choose from. It can be difficult to pick the right one for your tastes. For a totally unique look, nightstands that are built into the bed frame are great. It's not so much a standalone nightstand but part of the bed itself. Some headboards have built-in shelves like that you can use as a nightstand. They are great for small spaces because they don't take up as much extra room. Some even have built-in wireless charging stations for an extra modern touch. However, they are often only offered on low-profile platform bed frames, so you will find there are fewer options to choose from. Block-style bedside tables are minimalist nightstands which sit flat on the ground and form a solid block on either side of the bed. They often have 1 or 2 drawers for extra storage space. Block-style nightstands tend to be larger in size. They are good for extra storage and work well in large master bedrooms. Because they are so sizable, they aren't as great for small spaces. Look-style nightstands are usually minimalist in shape, which means they can work well with many different styles. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting floating nightstand design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your project from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.